If you are a small business owner and you are filling this 1099 miscellaneous copy manually, think again. Here you have a pre-printed template where you can go ahead and add your details in your computer and directly print it out in the template. You can watch this short video that shows how easy it is to add and keep on reusing it, so you don't have to enter it manually every time. It's so easy. It's available in Etsy and we are running 15% off discount as of now. Go ahead and get you and save yourself a ton of time and make it more efficient to file your 1099 miscellaneous form. Thank you.